Simple ways to stop acid reflux. Several millions of people are being struck by acid reflux disease. Adults, children, and even infants cannot escape from its affliction. Basically, the acid reflux or heartburn pertains to the disease caused by upflowing of the acid from the stomach up to the throat. Scientifically, the process occurs when there is a relaxation that occurs in the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, allowing then the stomach juices to flow back into the esophagus. There are already various conditions that have been connected to this. Several of these are the average person's increase in anxiety, lack of bodily exercise, and unhealthy diet. All of these have sole effect in the body increase in the production of acid, thus, resulting to acid reflux disease. There are already findings that show wherein the boost in the production of acid in the body can also be connected to kidneys, digestive, respiratory, and heart disorders as well. The symptoms of the acid reflux come in difficulty in swallowing, vomiting, headache, constipation, and insomnia. These are all indications that acids had already invaded the esophagus. The only way to battle the disease is definitely to reduce the entire amount of body acid. Through this the production of body acid will be corrected, the disorder will be fixed, and so, overturning the sign of the acid reflux. If the repeated occurrence of acid in the esophagus will not be treated immediately, the person affected by this will continually suffer from the extreme pain as it directs to the harsh stage of acid reflux, and could probably lead to fatal situation. Although time was able to establish the numerous medicines which are specially made to treat the disease, most of them still deal to a serious trouble, side effects, costly prices, short-term results, permanent prescriptions. The issue on the costs of medicinal cure have always been stressing the patients. This is a common scenario, especially for those who are incapable to afford this. For this reason, there are several ways that have also been practiced to cure the disease. This would only require simple methods which are stress-free in the pocket. The methods are only simple. Home treatments specifically could correct the body acid imbalance, and this are assured to bring an enduring relief. The primary recommendations for this disease which will not require for a heavy cost is proper diet, in particular, a healthy eating habit and a regular physical exercise. Believe it or not, chewing gum is advisable to neutralize the acid instantly, and this will bring out an instant relief. Likewise, honey and aloe juices create the same effect. They neutralize the acid in the throat and they are offered in the nearby local stores. All of these are directly equivalent to a medical prescription of a doctor, the sole difference lies in their prices. Also, try to remove in your diet the drinks that contain caffeine, alcohol beverages, fatty and fried foods, spicy foods, citrus fruits, chocolate. If you think you are totally addicted to them, you can still take them, though only in reasonable quantities. However, if you are frequently attacked by the symptoms, you have no other choice but to completely get rid of them, or else, the consequences are yours alone. Now, as you practice your diet, maintain in your habit as well to go to bed when you have already rested for 2 to 3 hours after you have eaten your last meal.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.